Welcome to the tiny world. Please like and subscribe to support my channel before we begin this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks for watching.